Good morning mga katekram!
Good morning!
Good morning! Habang din. Good morning, friend.
Good morning!
So today, Kuya Jace is gonna perform his drum!
Okay, anong meron ngayon kay Steve? Kuya Steve, my son.
So today is a family day and I'm going to show everyone my talent again.
Wait lang, I can't move on eh.
So excited.
I can't move on because Tita gave me a gift. I have pasalubong to Tita. Tita Gerald.
Hindi, nadaan kasi kami doon. Naalala ko nagkaganyan si Father.
So later I will open it later.
Simple, ano lang naman din yan.
Unboxing
Thank
time
you.
later.
Yeah, we have unboxing.
Bagay yun.
My son, you can. Sorry. Thank you, Tito Gerald. Thank you.
When were you born?
Nako. Sige, you talk to kuya.
Tipoy, Kuya Tipoy. Ano daw?
When was he born?
You ask him.
Sagutin mo, Kuya Poy.
Sugar.
Anong sagot niya? Ano sabi mo, Tipoy?
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Love.
Oh, what is your answer, Kuya Tipoy? Oh, ask him again. Kuya
When were
Tipoy.
you
Louder.
born?
Are you born? Ano po yun?
Hirap po sa yung Yan, para makita yung vlog.
Hi.
What is your question again, my Gian?
Louder daw.
When were you born?
Kailan ka daw pinanganak? In English
December 21, 2006.
I was born.
I was born December 21, 2006.
Next question, my Gian.
Wala kayo ni Ama, ha? 23 si Ama. Ay, oo, 22. Ilang kayo butang. Next question daw for Kuya Tipoy.
Where does he live?
You ask him, Kuya Tipoy.
Where do you live?
I live in... Tama po ba?
Ay, lipa.
That is the translator now.
Where daw, Kuya Tipoy? Paligid ka daw. Yeah, he's living with us now. What's his age? Tama ka na 3. May kapatid niya?
What's your favorite food?
Very good. Hindi ako sanay mag-English na yan.
Practice ka, practice.
Practice.
My favorite food is... Ano paborito mo daw pagkain?
Adobo.
Adobo daw.
Adobo ka ba? May adobo pa.
Do you have a friend?
May kaibigan ka daw.
Yes.
What's his or her name?
Derek.
Tito Derek. How many friends daw?
Oh, you read my mind.
Bilang kayo. One only.
One only lang daw, my Gian.
Pagdating natin.
I think I only have 2 or maybe I have 3. I think.
promises that every situation, whether joyful or challenging,
Nagbabasa po si Kuya Tipoy. Ako naman, mag-unboxing po muna.
is
Yung bigay po ni Tita Jo, Tito Gerald. Buksan ko po.
an opportunity to go
Nagabala pa si Tita Jo, man. No?
as
Oo. Tagal ko nang di nakagamit nito, Patekram.
sing out of control. God's plan is perfect. And we need a good outcome.
Unboxing, Katekram. Ay,
As 5 days away. And
ay, ganun pala siya.
certainty and joy despite the struggles we face. Father,
Oh.
the promise that you work all things for my good. Help me trust your purpose every season, even when it's hard to understand. I surrender my plans.
Mm.
You knowing that your will for my life is filled with hope and goodness.
Thank you, Tito Gerald. Tito Jo.
The Lord is my
Osmo.
shepherd, shall not.
Grabe, mahal. Ang liit na ngayon, no?
In this will love verse. In this will love verse.
May camera siya? Malo, may camera na yung ano? May camera na yung gimbal ngayon. Oo nga, no? Basta para saan kaya? Nakalimutan ko na yun. One.
In this beloved verse, David paints a picture of God as the good shepherd who tends to his flock with care and love. As a shepherd, God ensure that we love not
Ang ganda. Tita Jo. Thank you, Tito Gerald. May camera na yung ano, ang galing. Oh. So, connect natin yung ano.
Kapag nakaharap siguro sa ito.
Matagal na kasi ano eh. Hindi na ako gumagamit. Paano ba ano?
Hindi ka na-updated sa mga...
A picture of God as the good shepherd who tends to his flock with care and love. As our shepherd that ensures that
Ganun pala siya. May ganun na siya. Nakatago. Tapos, paano i-off ito? Ito long press siguro to. Ayun. Lagay muna natin yung camera. Saan yung ulo? Oy! Naku! Kuya Poy, mabagal yung kamay mo. Ayaw ko pa naman nagagasgasan pagka bago. ko na alam ito. Ano ba ito? Wala, hindi ko alam. Paano gagamitin to? Ganun, hindi siya pantay.
Saan?
Testing natin. O yun o, ang ganda nung nasa lamba. Ay, nasa likod. Pogi naman ang nasa kanan ko. Kaso, paano to?
Saan?
Saan? Wake up na. Tulog po lahat. Saan?
I'm so nervous.
Why?
Kala mo nagkapi siya.
I'm just nervous.
Why, my son?
I don't know.
We nandito kami lahat to support you. Can
Setting up the stage.
can we go inside to see you
They said
performing?
later.
Or Jane,
Okay.
maybe you can bring the book.
Huh? Hello.
Vlog. No, you ask permission na. If you can do vlogging na.
We're inside. We're inside. So there's Julian. There's Julian and everyone else. What? It's Coach. It's my drum teacher. This is the art center where Julian paints. It's awesome. They're eating. This is where I study. So this is the drum teacher without the drums. And this is the piano. There's a piano here. There's a guitar, and there's cajon.